Okay, so what is going on there is a little boy whose birthday it is today, and apparently he is absolutely motorbike mad, and his mum put a shout out to the local motorbike groups to say if anyone could come and ride by the house today, he would absolutely make his day. So that is what we're going to do. So right now, heading over to the the Diamond, heading to the Diamond to meet up with the Shamrock Group, and I think a few other people, and then we're going to head to Ballymena. What better way to spend your Sunday? I absolutely love this bike. Don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out, be on you. Goodbye. This roundabout or the next roundabout, this one. Quick shifter. Oh yes, quick shifter. Oh yes. Okay, you don't have to actually say quick shifter every time, but it definitely makes it more fun. Right or down front up? Down front up. Oh, it's so good to be back out the bike again. Haven't had a proper run in ages. Now look at that view. This is why I've come up here. Look at the view. There's one thing about this smartphone, the 125 was much better than this, but as you can see there, I have a full tank of fuel. That's telling me I've got 80 miles of range. The distance-ometer in this bike is woefully bad. There's probably like 200 miles of range in this bike at least. And this is probably the steepest hill in Derry, which is a good taste of your brakes. Out there. I know it's childish, but I have to give a bike rev on this gate here. I have to do it every time. I know, really childish. And this is the meeting spot. I'm hoping to see a lot of bikes up here. Oh, there's a couple. Go. Oh. Oh. How's it going, lads? Oh. How's things? Well, good. That's a good wee crowd, I'd say. Bikes. I don't feel like I needed to narrate that. You can see that easily enough. How we got here, sure. That is a right pile of bikes. Look at that. Lethal. There we go. Come on, big Honda, let's go. So here we go. We're going to go now and ride past this little guy's house. I think he should be happy with the turnout. I feel like we're getting close. Oh, there it is. That's pretty cool. Wowee, the power of social media. Oh. There's the wee man. Yo!